Welcome to Guruschool's Python programming course, where innovation meets education. We've crafted a unique approach to learning that's both engaging and comprehensive. Over the next 12 weeks, embark on an immersive journey into the world of Python programming with this course on Guruschools. In Week 1, dive into Python essentials. What Python is, why it's preferred, and setting up your development environment. You'll get your hands dirty with actual coding from the get-go, understanding the syntax, control flow statements, variables, operators, and the fundamentals of input-output functions. Week 2 propels you into the world of data structures. You'll become well-versed with lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. We'll also delve into the realm of functions and modules, essential tools in a programmer's toolkit. In Week 3, we'll introduce you to the principles of object-oriented programming. You'll learn all about classes, inheritance, encapsulation, and how these concepts make Python an expressive and powerful language. As we progress into Week 4, we'll start exploring statistical concepts that are crucial when dealing with data. We'll guide you through data visualization and manipulation techniques using powerful Python libraries like NumPy and Pandas. In Week 5, you'll unlock the potential of data presentation with Matplotlib. We'll look at how to create engaging plots and charts that can help communicate your findings effectively. And that's just the first 5 weeks. We'll continue this journey, unraveling more Python wonders week after week. By the time you reach Week 12, you'll be a confident Python programmer, ready to tackle real-world challenges. Discover statistical concepts, data visualization, and data manipulation using NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. By the course end, you'll master file handling, exception handling, regular expressions, and database connections with this course on Guruschools. You'll be equipped with the skills to tackle real-world problems, opening doors to countless opportunities. Whether you aspire to become a data scientist, web developer, or a software engineer, proficiency in Python is a powerful tool in your arsenal. Embark on your Python journey with Guruschools. Enroll today at and take the first step toward a rewarding career in Python programming.